everyone, hello, what's up? Today I want to show you how I refresh my curly hair. So I just want to get a clear picture to show you what I start with, and this is my day 5 hair and it looks like a frizzy hot mess. It looks really dry and undefined. I literally don't even mind what I'm doing. I almost fell over trying to get this shot. And this is the end result, so if you want to know how, just keep watching this video. I usually refresh my curly hair about twice a week, and I do my curly hair wash and go once a week. If you want to watch it, I've made a video on that as well, which I'll link in the description box below. When I refresh my curly hair, I only use one product, as opposed to when I do my wash and go, I use 3 different products. And the one product that I use, I'll link in the description box below. So I'm just gonna section my hair to make it easier. The product I'm going to use is the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. It's actually a rinse-out conditioner, but I use it as a leave-in conditioner as it really strengthens and moisturizes your hair. Once I've applied it, I'm just twisting my hair, which really leaves your curls super defined. And this only takes me about roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and it helps prolong my curls so much. Like, it will literally have my curls pop in on day 7, which is amazing for me because who wants to do a wash day more than once every 7 days, which is way more than enough for me. So guys, I couldn't get the twist to stay in. It was really annoying. This really shows I know what I'm doing. So I had to like retwist. Instead of into 2 sections, I decided to make it 3, which helped it to stay in. I'm just sectioning my hair and repeating the process on the other side. And here I am. Some of my twists have came loose, but don't worry about that because we're going to take them out anyway. As I'm taking them out, I'm just scrunching my hair to try and create the curls. And I'm now just tying my hair up in a half up, half down style. I really should have laid my baby hair down, but I was in a rush, guys, so allow me. And I'm just flipping my hair upside down to try and create a bit more volume, because I feel like now it's super defined but the volume's kind of gone a bit. Oh well, I guess you can't have everything. And this is a close-up just to show you the definition. It's popping. This definition is really thanks to the twists. My hand is like caked in conditioner still, so if you peeped it, please don't watch it. And I'm just scrunching my hair a little bit more just to create a little bit more definition, and I'm good to go now. And also guys, you can use like an oil at the end of this just to seal in your products and lock in that moisture, but I didn't because I was going out and I didn't want to like stain my clothes. But if I'd have been staying at home, I definitely would have. And that's basically the finished look, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this, please like, comment or subscribe. And I also just want to say that true beauty starts from within, so always bear that in mind. It's not what's on the outside that really counts, it's what's on the inside that matters the most.